Okay, so this is the second part. We're going to save the body. So let's hide all contours. Shoot, it's the whole face. All right, this is what we want. We don't want this. So I think we're okay. Here's our body. And our body is also too big. We're going to have to do some slicing. So let's move that over here. Let's see what we have left here. Contour. Let's hide all contours again. This time we want this little guy. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of the whole face. What's going on here? There. I think I have just that little piece, right? Yep. Holy moly. All right. We have that little piece. I'll move it over here. All right. What do we have left? We have these two things. I think that, oh, and the ear. So let's hide all contours. Let's do that ear. Let's hide that. All right, so here's our ear. Let's do the next one where we still need to get those two pieces over there. Let's hide all contours again. Let's select this little piece and let's hide that. And there's my little piece. Man, that one's small. All right, let's do this last thing. We have that eye, Hei Hei's eyes, or one eye. All right, hide all contours. We want this, and we want this eye, and let's hide that. And there's the eye. Okay, so we need to slice this face, and I'm thinking about slicing just the ear right here. This body, I'm thinking of slicing, maybe just this portion right here. Okay, so I'm gonna get a square, and let's go get our square. It drops in over here, and since we're all the way over here working with these two pieces, I'm gonna need two of these, so I'm gonna duplicate. All right, so the first one that we're gonna do is, let's just cut it. I mean, I would love it if it was a round shape and I just, cut it right here, but it's too hard. So let's slice these two items. And good. So now it's, a little bit under 11 inches by 9.5, let's say. So we can get rid of that, and we have this. All right, this little face right here, let's do it right here. And just delete the rest. And these two pieces are good. All right, we're almost there. Okay, these are all little pieces, and it's going to drive me insane because I don't want, first of all, we can't cut it as is. It's going to require like a 26-inch by 24-inch piece of cardstock. Can't do it. But I also don't want to contour, so let's slice this. And I'll show you how I'm going to slice it with as few moves as possible. Here's my square. I make my square a little bit bigger. Okay. And I'm going to slice these little pieces over here one at a time, right? So slice. And I'm going to move this guy down here. I don't need this. I'm going to slice the next one. Here we go. Let's see if that worked. Oh no, did it work? What the heck was that? Okay, I think it's okay. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to slice this piece now. Oh, what a pain. Okay, but it's worth it in the end. All right, so we have this guy. Oh, you know what I'm not doing? I'll group all this together at the end to make sure it's the same color. I'm basically keeping the slicing results. I normally don't do that. Don't ask me why. It's late at night. I just want to finish this and get this video up there for you guys. All right, let's slice out this little piece right here. Okay. Here we go. We're almost there. So you see what I'm doing? I don't want to bring in a square each time, but you just need to make sure that you're getting a clean cut. All right, so let's slice those two. Here we go. Get rid of this piece. We're almost there. Stick with me. All right, let's see. Here we go. Slice. And this piece is good. This piece is done. I'm going to keep these two together. Slice. Get rid of it now. Okay. All right. I'm going to keep the feet and the, let's see, I can't reach it, so I'm going to need to do one at a time. Let me see if I can get in there. I know, I should just contour at this point. I think I'm going to do that. Okay, now that we have just a few pieces left, I'm going to contour these. But let me get all these the same color. So when we go to cut the cardstock, we know what we're doing. I think it was this color. Okay. All right, so here we have, I'm going to count this as one piece, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so let's contour our first one. Let's hide all contours and see what they save. And let's add this guy and this guy. So it's my top corner. Here we go. Let's contour the next one. And let's just keep moving down. We're going to hide all contours. That's the one we want. Let's get rid of that because we already did that one. Okay, so there you go. Let's do the next one. Contour. Hide all contours. Let's do this piece. And then deselect basically the other piece, right? So I'm sort of going top to bottom, left to right. Let's contour. We need this little guy. So hide all contours. The reason why you can't unselect this is you still have to leave something selected. So we got to select our piece first and then deselect that one basically. And then X out of it. Okay, there's that little piece. All right, now we just have, this must be toenails or something, contour. All right, hide all contours. Let's get you first. Deselect that one. We got just a few more. All right, a few more steps and then we can go to cut. Contour. Hide all contours. We want you middle toe. Highlighted. Deselect. You're going to be a pro at all these features. All right. And the last one, yes. So contour, hide all. We want this one. deselect that one, and then we're done. I probably should have saved this earlier. Thank you for not losing. All right. Hei Hei and Pua, 30 inches. And it's saving. I say this on all the other ones. 30 inches is a great size for birthday parties. It's great for the cake table. It's great in comparison to the little kid that's having the birthday party. It's just, like I said, the perfect size, the perfect amount of cardstock. It's worth the effort. So that's why I do most of mine 30 inches or 20 inches. In this case, I would have done a 20-inch Pua and a 20-inch Hei Hei, but because they're together, I'm doing it together as 30 inches. Okay, so let's go to make it. And I just want to show you a few things. I won't show you all of them because they're all starting to sound the same, right? So here we have white. I mean, we have this area that we can move some stuff over to. This one is so big by itself, but I always try to save usable space. So I move it down so that next time I use this cardstock, I have all of this up here. Let's see what we can move around though. We can definitely do something there. Okay, so let's move this guy over to move to another mat. And let's move this ear over to, let's send it to the second page and see if I can do something here. Yeah, so that works. Let's see what else we can do. Man, let's see if we can make this a little bit better. So that works. But I don't think I can consolidate anymore. But you know what I can do? I can move these guys in here, because then next time I go to cut, this is more usable than what I had before. Let me move these over and make room for that guy. Okay, so this is, I'll have, what is that, 2 inches at least straight down. That could be eyes from some other character. Let's see if I can do anything here. I feel like I can do something more here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this ear over to the next page. Move to another mat. And I'm moving you to this one. There's no need to make both of them wasteful. Let's see if I can get you in here. And then that way this piece is much more usable next time. Okay. All right, so there's the white, the black. Let's see what we have here. We definitely have space right here. I wonder if we could move this one over. So let's move this one, move it to another mat, and let's move it to our first one. And let's see what we have. I think I can move this. No, don't do me wrong like this. Okay, yeah. So that all fits on one. I saved one piece of cardstock. Let's see what else we have. This one I feel like, unless it's a small piece, there's not that much I can do there. This one's gigantic. And this one, you know what? I can move you. I can move you to that one mat that had the huge gap in the middle, right? So at least I think I can. Let's see if it'll fit. And if it doesn't, we'll just move him back. Oh, it's close. Let me see. Does this work? Oh my gosh, it's so close. It doesn't work. What a bummer. All right, let me move it back. All right, I'll just move it back to where it was. Move to another map. And I just don't want to do it. All right, I'll move it to this mat. Okay, here we go. I know, it's pathetic. All right, so my black is all set. This one, I can move it a little bit better, right? I can move this closer over. Maybe fit this guy up here. And that way, you know, I'm within a 4x5, and I still have all this other usable space. And same thing with this. I feel like we can do a little bit more here. Let's move some stuff around, right? You can look at this. You can move it in between. Does that work? That does work. Move this here. Move this here. I know, it just seems so petty. But I do so many of these. I gotta save where I can save, right? Okay. Let's move you here. Move you in here. Do you fit here? Well, yes, you do fit there. And maybe like this. I probably could do better, but you know, this is pretty good. All right, here's yellow. Definitely move these guys over. Okay, here's my blue. Now the blue is, yeah, this is one big piece, but I can move maybe like this. And that way we'll have more usable space next time. And maybe even this over here. So I don't know if I can do anything with that corner, but, or, I know, don't laugh. No, it's late at night. Let's just finish this, right? All right, here we have it. Okay, that's all good. All right, and that's it. Now you can send it to the mat, cut, and then you will paste with me another time. All right, thanks everyone. Keep me posted on your work. Bye.